Michelle here from StrawBearie.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some things that you can do with the memorabilia, the brochures, the certificates, the ticket stubs that you collect and put in a box that you never do anything with. So I've had a couple of people request that I do a video like this, so that's why I wanted to share with you, and I'm going to be sharing with you several of my own family scrapbook albums. So here in this first one, you see that I made a pocket. I cut the piece of paper. This actually has a page protector on it, and I cut the page protector as well so that I could put some of these things inside the pocket that go with what was happening at this time. So this is all stuff with my son Marshall's graduation. So moving on in the scrapbook, I wanted to show you that I have just a clear page here that has a newspaper article that he was in. And then another smaller, this was just a regular Office Depot page protector that had more newspaper articles in it. And this page here, we traveled to New Mexico, and as you can see with the aliens and all, and I used the map from one of the brochures as the background paper for this page. So that's one album that I wanted to show you. So here is one from a really long time ago. So if you look here, this is plastic corners that you would put your pictures in, and it has Marshall's first haircut. It has his baby hair in it. My family is in the newspaper a lot, probably a lot more than most normal people are. So in this one, this first thing, this was a Creative Memories product, and it has these clear plastic on just a page, and it's two-sided. So I have a lot of newspaper articles in it. So this first one are all articles about me. This second page is all articles about my husband. My husband ran for office, and he was an elected official for a while, so these were all newspaper articles during his candidacy. This is a page, all of newspaper articles for my son Garrett. And this is a page of all newspaper articles for my son Marshall. Next, I wanted to show this one because this is an invitation for a birthday party just right there on the page. And here's another birthday party invitation. And here's one where I put our trip tickets riding this train right here, and then I put the brochure for the train company right there alongside. All right, next is my wedding album. 30 years ago in August, I got married. And this page here, I created this pocket by gluing down the sides and the bottom of a sheet of paper. And so then I could stick these in here. I did not do a special page protector because I didn't want just anybody reading these. These are advice that people who came to my wedding shower gave me. And so they're kind of personal, but I wanted them in my album, but not everybody just going through and reading them. This one, another brochure in a separate little flap. This one I took and cut up the brochure. So we were in a musical called Honk, and I cut it up and I put Marshall's bio and I put my bio right there on the page, glued that down. And then here are some newspaper articles where I just glued them right into the album of my kids. Here's another one. Here are our tickets to the Grand Ole Opry, just right there on the page, kind of as decoration. Now, a lot of that memorabilia, a lot of those brochures and things, you probably need to just throw away. But some of it is important. So here's more newspapers and stuff in the middle. And here's another one, another train one, with the tickets to the train as part of the decoration for the page. Now here's something that I do for every member of our family. I have one, my husband has one, and both of our boys have one. It is just a 3-ring binder that has page protectors in it for certificates. And certificates from school, from Honor Society, for Boy Scouts, for athletics, just anything that they've done goes in here. And this makes it very handy when you're trying to fill out college applications and stuff, and you're trying to remember, oh wait, what was that certificate I got? What did I do back then? And when was that? And all the certificates are in one place. I got the idea because this folder was given to us back in 2005 of all the certificates that my son had gotten in Royal Rangers, which is a scouting type program. And they had done it and put them all in here, and I thought that was really cool. So I've just left those in here that they created. So those are really old. And then I have a few things I haven't put in page protectors because they're kind of special in their own, but they sit in this notebook. So this was recognition from NASA when Marshall became an Eagle Scout, and this is from his congressman certificate. So some really important cool things. This is not anything new. I was scrapbooking before scrapbooking was a thing. This is my scrapbook from my senior year of high school, class of 1987. And you can see it is totally busted at the seams. I broke the binding with how full it is. But you will see that's way back then. I put my first driver's license on a page. I put my parking permit on a page. I have newspaper articles inside. I have ribbons that I won. I have pieces from my mums and corsages inside of there. I have a page that has things inside of it as well. This is just a paper folder that's in the middle of it. I needed more room for pictures, so I put my pictures on with Scotch tape so that you could flip them all up so that I could fit more pictures on a page. And I did collage pages to try to fit more pictures on a page. This is another paper folder that has stuff inside of it. More newspaper articles and other things that were just kind of sentimental. And this is my ticket stub page. So I think these were all my ticket stubs probably up until my senior year of high school. I had been collecting them, didn't know what to do with them, so I made a collage of all my ticket stubs. You could also do something like this, I would say, and frame it. That would be kind of a cool thing to do with your ticket stubs. I have saved a lot of weird things with memorabilia. I don't know why. I have a candy wrapper here from Steak and Ale, from the Mint, as well as my son's hair. What is the weirdest thing that you've saved and held on to? And how did you store it? What did you do with it? Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and have a great day crafting away.